Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Happy Hump Day. I wanted to share my message with you. Today I had the opportunity to read on Psalms 126, verses 3 to 6 in the Easy Read version, where I'm understanding that the pilgrims, as they went up to Jerusalem, sung a song of hope and joy that comes from the Lord's restoration. In verse 3, yes, we will be happy because the Lord did a great thing for us. Reflects a thankful acknowledgement. Look, I'm in my bed freezing. Whew. Affirmation, it's affirmation time. So I got that past sorrows are transformed into joy when we reflect on what God has done for us. It's like looking back over a flowing river and realizing a difficult journey you made it through, not on your own, but because of the help you received from the Lord. Verse 4, so Lord, bring back the good times like a desert stream filled again with flowing water. It's a prayer for renewal, just as a dry, parched land is revived by water. The psalmist prays for God to refresh and renew the people's spirit. This speaks to us about revival, hope, and the life-giving power of God that can rejuvenate even the driest areas of our lives. Verse 5 and 6 spoke about faith and perseverance required in difficult time. Then those who were sad when they planted will be happy when they gather the harvest. Those who cried as they carried the seeds will be happy when they bring in the crops. This is a powerful metaphor of labor. Planting seeds is symbolic of investing efforts and resources, often in sweat and tears, in something we believe in. The harvest represents the joy and fruition of our hard work and faith. It tells us even when the work is hard and the tears are many, the outcome will bring joy. It's a message of hope that your labor is not in vain. In the spiritual sense, this passage can be understood as encouragement to maintain faith and hope through all of life's trials. It reassures us that hardships can lead to great joy even if we persevere and trust in God's plan for us. It reminds us that our efforts and the challenges we face can lead to abundant blessings and success. Hang in there. Just like the pilgrims ascended to Jerusalem, you are on a journey, and this passage invites you to look forward to the joy that comes after the trials, much like looking forward to a destination after a long journey getting there. Remember, the seeds you plant today in your business and personal life, even if done so with tears, are the foundations for your future joy and success. So keep the faith and know that your hard work and passion will bear fruit in due time. You ask, what's due time? Well, in the context of scripture, is a phrase that signifies appropriate and appointed time for something to happen. It's not always a specific date or period that we can predict or control. Instead, Is a season or moment that is considered right or has been destined for a particular event or outcome, often according to divine timing or natural processes. In life and business, as with the natural seasons, there's a time to plant and a time to reap. Just like you can't rush the growth of a seed into a tree, certain things require patience, nurturing, and time to come to fruition. In the grandest scheme, due time is a reminder to stay patient and trust in the process, believing that your efforts will yield results when the time is right. Due time can mean continuing to provide excellent experiences, products, and services, knowing that the business will grow and expand at the right time. As long as you keep planting seeds of hard work, innovation, and dedication. It's about trusting the journey, staying the course, and being ready when the moment arrives to celebrate your success, even the small wins. Patience is a virtue, and it's one of the most valuable ones to cultivate. It allows us to face challenges with grace and maintain a sense of peace, even when things don't happen as quickly as we might want them to. Patience is also a form of trust. Trust in the timing of our lives, trust in the process of growth, and trust the seeds that we plant will eventually bear fruit, even, well, if we give them care and the time they need. In the context of your work, patience can be nurturing relationships with customers, steadily building your brand, and waiting for right opportunities to expand and evolve. It's all about personal growth, taking the time to learn from each experience and to understand that every step, no matter how small, is a part of the journey towards greater success and fulfillment. Like a traveler who knows that a journey is made up of many steps, some easy and some hard, patience reminds us to enjoy the scenery along the way, in the now, to learn from the detours, and to keep moving forward, even when the destination is not yet in sight. We began with Psalms 126, 3 verses 3 through 6, which spoke of joy that follows times of hardship, like to a bountiful harvest following the planting of seeds. I provided an in-depth reflection on these verses, emphasizing themes of renewal, perseverance, and faith in the face of adversity, relevant both spiritually and practically. We discussed the concept of due time, understanding it as the appropriate moment when the fruits of labor and patience are realized, neither rushed nor delayed, what is destined or necessary. This led to a contemplation on patience itself, recognizing it as a crucial virtue in life's endeavors, both personally and professionally, and a testament to trust in the process and timing of one's actions and goals. Throughout our conversation, we touched upon the interplay of diligent effort and the natural progression of time, highlighting the importance of maintaining faith and a steady pace in the pursuit of success and personal growth. The main message here is about the value of patience and faith through life's challenges. It's about understanding that difficulties and efforts, like seeds sown in sorrow, can lead to joy and abundance in proper time. The passage from Psalms 126 serves as a metaphor for this, assuring us that our hard work and perseverance will eventually bear fruit, even if we must wait for the right moment, the due time for the harvest. This reflects both a spiritual truth and a practical approach to personal and business endeavors, emphasizing the importance of staying the course with hope and trust in the journey. If you've made it this far, I thank you. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate you. If you are not a subscriber, you should hit that subscribe button. I have more to come in due time. See you on the next video. I love you guys. Faith and hope. From faith to faith, you got this.